Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to search through an array using Grep. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that button below. It's red and white and it doesn't bite. Okay, let's start, shall we? Whoops, in the wrong place there. Sub, and we're going to call this search array. So we're going to create a subroutine to search the array. Of course, we're going to create an array. This is going to be my array, and let's have a look. I'm going to populate it with colors, I think. So red, green, blue, and yellow. So that's my array. It's going to be populated with colours, and I just want to show you something before we... Okay, so we've got the array there, and I'm going to create... Whoops, not there, I'm not. This is going to be called my scalar colour, and I'm going to get some user input using prompt. So we'll ask the user to enter a colour. So we'll get the user input there, and then we're going to say if, we're going to use grep here to search for it. Then I'm going to use this little character here as an iterator. If this equals the scalar colour that the user entered into the prompt in the array, then we're going to tell the user that the colour is in the array. Okay, or else if the colour isn't in the array, we're going to say that to the user as well. Colour not in array. Okay, we'll just finish that off, and we'll just save that there. Okay, it looks good to go. Let's come down here, Raku, new dot Raku, hit enter. Okay guys, got a slight problem there, and it's this here, a little typo that's completely thrown it. Let's save that. Let's just clear this. Okay, let's run it again. Raku new dot Raku. Okay, so we're going to enter a colour here. Let me just pull this up here. So enter a colour. So we can see that red is in the array. So we're going to say red. Okay, hit enter. Colour is in the array. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, let's put white because we know white is not in the array. And there you go, colour not in the array.